Hey guys, Miles with Elixir here, and today we're going to be covering a pretty common error that happens, and it's when you get the authentication error and it will ask you to reconnect with Twitch. Now, this is only going to apply to people who have pressed the reconnect with Twitch, have authorized again, and the error has appeared again and again. If that is the case, what you're going to want to do is press the Windows key. You're going to want to type in CMD. Go to your command prompt. You're going to type in ipconfig, IPCONFIG space slash flush DNS. That is going to fix your error. If it doesn't, contact one of the support agents, me, myself, or the Flying Pie, and we will see what we can do. But 95% of the time, this will resolve your issue. This is Miles with Elixir. I greatly appreciate your time. You can get descriptions. You can get links to our Discord, our website, and our personal email at the bottom of this video's description. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Have a good day.